How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So there is no definite way to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages without the backup, because if you have not backed up your data on your WhatsApp, then it's not possible to recover. But still, if you want to do it and try, you can just launch the Google Chrome or any browser that you have on your device and then simply tap on the search bar on Google Chrome and tap on WhatsApp support. So tap on contact WhatsApp, and as you do that, tap on contact us again. So here just scroll down and mention your phone number, your email address, and then select the device that you're using, and then tap on this message box and just mention that you want to recover the deleted WhatsApp messages over here which you have not backed up. So just do not forget to mention your email ID that you have associated with WhatsApp, and then tap on next step and then just verify yourself, and this might help you to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.